Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Axiom Pro. To get started, open Axiom and go to the Axiom Sol Discover page. This is the main area where you can begin navigating the platform and access the tools you'll need for setup. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Deposit. This will take you into the funding flow, which is an important part of preparing your account to trade. From there, click Buy. This option helps you move forward with adding funds in a straightforward way. After selecting Buy, click Deposit again to continue. At this point, you're essentially confirming that you want to fund your account so you can use the platform's trading features. Make sure you're reading the screen carefully as you go, especially if similar buttons appear in more than one place. Once your deposit steps are complete, return to the main navigation and click Discover. This brings you back to the section where you can explore available assets and tools inside Axiom. Next, click Pulse. Pulse is where you can view activity and examine items more closely, so it's a useful section to become familiar with early on. Inside Pulse, select the sample item shown on the page. This opens a specific asset view and gives you access to trading controls. If you're following along for the first time, take a moment here to observe the layout. It can help to notice where the action buttons are located, since this makes future navigation much quicker and easier. At the top right of this asset page, click Buy if you want to enter a position. This is the option you'll use when you're ready to purchase. If instead you want to exit or reduce a position, click Sell. Axiom also provides an instant trade option, which you can click if you want a faster trading workflow from this screen. These three choices, Buy, Sell, and Instant Trade, represent the key actions you'll likely use most often once your account is set up. As you work, it's a good idea to double check that you're on the correct asset page before selecting any trade action. That small habit can save time and help prevent mistakes. And that's the basic setup flow for Axiom Pro. Entering Discover, funding through Deposit and Buy, returning to Discover, opening Pulse, selecting a sample asset, and then using the trading options available on the asset page. Once you're comfortable with this path, navigating the platform becomes much more natural.